Welcome in. I'm sharing this really shocking case that I had a few weeks ago in my clinic. I'm doing what's called a sinus endoscopy, which is using a long metal camera to look inside the nose. And I'll kind of show a diagram in just a second to let you know what you're looking at right now. But you can see this little white foreign body inside the nose. I was very curious on what this was. Um, So when we do a sinus endoscopy, this is a side view of a patient, and I have an endoscope, which is a long camera, as well as a kind of grabbing instrument called an alligator. And I'm kind of looking in this red area inside this patient nose. But this is us going inside the nose on the left side. And this patient, kind of sad story, but basically he had sinus surgery, what he told me several months ago, out of state with another surgeon. And due to some unfortunate life circumstances and taking care of family members, he wasn't taking care of himself and coming in with really, really foul odor smell from his nose and unable to breathe. And this is me pulling out this super large, what I now realize, nasal packing that we put inside someone's nose when we do surgery. I don't do this personally for my packing, but what it is actually it's called a gloved mirror cell, which is a glove that you wrap a packing inside the nose so that the nose doesn't scar back up. And you're supposed to get it out 1 week after surgery. But again, I told him I wasn't going to judge him and help him feel better. And this is me kind of clearing out some really thick mucus and, lack of a better word, boogers from his nose with the suction. And, I wasn't able to clean out as much as I wanted to, and actually had him do a neti pot rinse for another week. And he came back the following week super, super thankful and feeling much better and breathing better. And unfortunately, he actually had another one on the other side of his nose that I didn't film, but you can see how big these are. These are about 2 inches from his nose, but you can imagine how much better he felt from it. But appreciate you guys watching. I know this is different than my normal videos, but let me know if you like this type of content. Bye.